last night, early this morning, I don't know what time, but I had visions in my head of what I'm about to show you. I could not wait to get up. I cannot wait to get this meal done. Okay? You guys know me, I'm old school. Straight from the South. Mama's cooking right here. Oh boy, it's hot too. I'm just letting this cook down a little bit. I need to get started with the rest of it. And for the other half of it. 2 things, that's all you need. I'm telling you. Don't mess this up. Okay? This is not a glorified meal. But this meal will have you shouting glory. Turn that down a little bit. Covered it back up. Just let them simmer for a while. And that'll be that. Cornmeal, pink salt, hot water. I'd like country. Minus the oil. Tastes so good. Fresh out of the skillet. Barely let it cool off. Put some butter on it. Oh my goodness. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I don't care what time of day it is. I will eat hot water cornbread. Thing is, you cannot, it's fried. That's why I don't make it all the time. You could do it in the oven, but this is meant to be fried. Just down home country cooking. Alright, so here we go. It's a lot of history behind the greens. Some of y'all already know. Yeah. Sunday dinners. Those of you that celebrate holidays, greens, staple. Okay? Southern household. Thing is, not everybody know how to make greens. Okay? You don't want to eat anybody greens because, yeah. Some of them taste like rubber plants, plastic plants. Now, these are not my mother's greens, but they on time. Not to say that she did not cook some good greens. She could throw down on the greens. Quick little story while my food is cooling off. My mom worked with this lady. I call her my auntie. Okay. We have known her since I was about 12. My mom used to work with her. She worked with her for over 10 years. And Mexican, okay? So she kind of, you know, watched me grow up and everything. Close family friend. Bless her heart. My mom made a pact, both of them, when my mom moved from California to Texas, that they would always make note to call each other, but especially on Thanksgiving. That was just the day, okay? And, you know, any other time they would call throughout the year, but that was the thing. Always Thanksgiving. My mother passed away 2003. Ever since then, She has called me on that day, or I call her. We still keep it up. The thing with the greens, my mom taught her how to make these greens in her workplace. She had a multicultural soul food festival and went in there and just threw down on the soul food to bring some diversity in the place. And she taught her how to make these greens. So every Thanksgiving and Christmas, my auntie make these greens for her family. And I kind of make joke and like, they are the only Mexican family I know that eat tamales and greens for Thanksgiving, y'all. It's just so funny. And she laughs about it too, y'all. It's an inside joke, but she laughs about it. And yeah, she makes so many greens. She takes some to her mother. She takes some to her neighbors. Just everybody. My mama greens. And it's like, wow. To this day, it's been 14, 15 years. So, a lot of history in the greens. So, I'm getting ready to close this out so I can eat my green and my cornbread. It's still piping hot. Let me know what you all do in the way. Collards, mustards. I prefer collards. Turnips. My dad grows greens, so whenever he come through or we go down there, we always get greens and peas and all kinds of stuff. But yeah, and that's where my mom grew up too. So fresh greens were a staple every day. But let me know what you do in the way of greens, how you prepare them. Like I said, don't want to put nothing in them, but some smoked turkey. If you want to do that, smoked turkey go perfectly with it. I don't need anything. Just the green, just the cornbread. Nothing but. And I do have a fork. To tell you, I already said I like stuff hot. Put a little, what do you call them? Banana pepper in it. If you don't like it too hot, but you want a little kick, a little banana pepper will work. I'm struggling, y'all. I gotta take a break. It's too good. I didn't even have a lot, but and I haven't eaten all day because I've been waiting on this. Yeah. So I'll give you guys a heads up. If you are not following on Instagram, follow, because I give a peek of the meal vlogs that are coming up next. Okay, so I just put up 2. Follow me on Instagram. Same name. Yeah, you get a little peek, usually within the day or just before the vlog goes live. It's on Instagram, and I do that with everything, not just the meal vlogs. Most of the time. Let me reiterate that. Most of the time.